Thanks for the day, ma'am. I, Shikha Mishra, on the behalf of IT School of Management, welcomes you to our college. And you have been doing really great in your career, as we came to know. I would like to know from you that what is the one thing which you want to tell to all the female aspirants?
In fact, there's one really important thing that females should know, that there is no stopping. Life will, place you somewhere, because there are times when, you have to take a step ahead when family pushes you for, there are restrictions and there are foundations also. But then that should not be a boundary for you in life. I'm talking about when a person changes from a career to and gets into the marriage path. And sometimes due to a pressure, family pressure, they're forced to, because of the kids, because of the additional responsibilities. Girls, women, they are forced to just leave their career in between and just take care of the family, which is not a bad thing. But at the same time, I think they confine themselves to a limit. Their limitation becomes their home becomes their limitation. So that should be coming from here. And anything and everything they want to aspire, they want to achieve in life, should not be subject to what the circumstances. Everything can be done. There's only one life. So I would always, train people. I will always guide people on telling how to take the life forward. And there's no line, there is no limit. If you have thought about living your life your way, with the consent of everyone around you, with the power and support of everyone around you, everything is possible. So it's all in the head. So basically, that's it. Mindset matters. That was beautiful.
Also, I'd like to know from you that how do you manage the responsibilities and then work pressure in your position?
See, as I answered your earlier question, it's all in your head. So basically, it's all about striking the right balance. So one should know how to strike the right balance. One should know how to do the time management. So it's completely up to the person's perception about how things are falling and how the person reacts to it. Right? So everything is possible. There's nothing even impossible. Maybe वो कहता है कि I am possible. राइट तो कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो आप नहीं कर सकते इस लाइफ में आप अगर सोच ले तो आप सब कुछ कर सकते मैनेज करने के लिए यू नीड टू हैव अ गुड प्लान इन हैंड सो यू डोंट हैव टू पैनिक अबाउट एनीथिंग यू हैव टू जस्ट सेट डाउन एंड फिगर आउट अ वे एंड डेफिनेटली योर मेंटल हेल्थ has to be stable, has to be in good health, and that is where the first point is to work on your mental stability and growth and not get affected by the outside point of views and everything. People will definitely try to pull you down, but then it's your life, it's just one. So make the most of it, and the balance is the key. That's what I
Beautifully explained.